Most drone pilots focus on movement, but filmmakers focus on emotion. Because movement isn't just about showing the location. It's about making your audience feel something. In this video, I'll show you 4 simple drone moves that can create wonder, romance, anticipation, and freedom.
Wonder comes from discovery. The audience doesn't know what's about to appear, and that curiosity keeps them engaged. When everything is revealed at once, there's no sense of discovery. If your subject is already visible, you've removed the surprise. Keep the subject hidden and reveal it slowly. The audience experiences the location exactly as you intended. Certain movements naturally feel more emotional than others. Nothing says romance quite like a slow orbit. A slow orbit feels elegant and intimate. It gives the audience time to connect with the subject in the frame. Anticipation comes from moving towards something important. The slower you move, the more anticipation you create. You're inviting the audience into the scene rather than rushing them there. Sometimes emotion comes from showing just how small we are in a much bigger world. As the landscape opens up around us, the feeling changes completely. The scene becomes less about a building and more about a place. Great drone films rarely rely on a single emotion. The magic happens when you combine them. Each movement creates a different emotional response. Together, they create a story. Whatever emotion you're trying to create, avoid these common mistakes.
The best drone movements don't just show your audience something, they make them feel something. So next time you fly, don't ask yourself where the drone should go. Ask yourself what emotion you want to create. And a very special thank you to Long Furlong Barns for allowing us to film at this beautiful venue.